everybody, my name is Charlotte. I'm a dental hygienist of 20 years and I'm also a very proud senior brand ambassador for Burst Oral Care. So if you're watching this video, hopefully it's because you've picked up your own sonic toothbrush by Burst and you want to know how to use it. So let's put a video up. Let's spend 2 minutes. You only need to watch this video once, but I do want to point out a couple really important features and some really important tips on how to use a sonic toothbrush. So as you can see, when you're using a sonic toothbrush like this, you're not going to scrub back and forth. There's no need to. It's 33,000 vibrations per minute. So it is going to destroy plaque just by allowing all those bristles to do the work for you. So you just place the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle and let those bristles glide in between your teeth. Now, some of my patients have said in the past that their gums feel a little sensitive for a few days, like a little pinchy, and maybe you might see some bleeding. It's because those really soft bristles are actually getting in between the teeth and around the gum line where maybe you haven't been getting before. Like if you're not a good flosser, the initial reaction is that your gums bleed because you're disrupting bacteria and they're actually reacting to being bothered. So this has a 2-minute timer and a quad pacer. So as you can see, each time I hit the 30-second mark, I'm going to switch over to a new section of my mouth. That keeps you in front of the mirror for the full 2 minutes, and it gives you a really, really good quality brushing session. Now when I get to the front, it's okay to go back and forth a little bit more because this is a really hard place to brush effectively. So you want to get your elbow out quite a bit and bring the bristles in at a really drastic angle. This is where a lot of people build up heavy tartar, and you want to put a little more pressure toward these molars where your salivary gland empties out, because that's also a hot spot for tartar. So watch this video one time and you've got your new Burst toothbrush technique. Happy brushing.